6666 is the number of ayats. Small black square 29 total number of Makatati. Small black square Hazrat Usman was the first Hafiz of the Holy Quran. Small black square Hazrat Khalid bin Saeed, the first writer of Wahy. Small black square gap between first Wahy and second Wahy was 6 months. Small black square 12 Ghazawaz described in Holy Quran. Small black square Abdullah ibn Abbas, the first commentator of the Quran and also known as interpreter of the Quran. Small black square in Surah Al-Saf, Holy Prophet is addressed as Ahmed. Small black square Gar Esor is mentioned in Surah Al-Tawbah. Small black square 4 Surahs start with Kul. Chkd, small black square Hazrat Umar proposed the compilation of Holy Quran. Small black square Al-Nasr is known as Surah Wida. Small black square first annulled order of Holy Quran was the transfer of Qiblat. Small black square the word Islam occurs 6 times in the Quran. Small black square Abdul Malik Marwan applied the dots in the Holy Quran. Small black square Hajjaj bin Yusuf applied diacritical points in Small black square Hajjaj bin Yusuf applied diacritical points in Quran. Small black square 8 Siparas starts with Bismillah. Small black square 37 total number of surah in last para. Small black square Al-Baqarah and Surah Al-Nisa is spread over 3 paras. Small black square Al-Falq and Al-Nas revealed at the same time. Small black square 3 surah stats with Ya Ayananabio. Small black square city of Rome is mentioned in Holy Quran. Small black square Surah Yasin is known as Heart of Quran. Small black square Suran Reman is known as Beauty of Quran. Small black square Tafsir ibn Kaysar was written by Hafiz Ismaid bin Umar Imam Ud Din. Small black square first revealed surah was Al-Alaq. 96 in arrangement. Small black square complete revelation in 23 years. Small black square subject of Holy Quran is man. Small black square last surah revealed in Al-Nasr.